Hi everyone, I'm Anita with Kids Move and Learn, and I'm excited to share with you today an announcement about what we're doing with Kids Move and Learn for the year 2021. We have been listening to parents ask for strategies and activities to enrich their child's lives. And now, after a few years, we have heard the ideas needed are about getting kids to follow directions. They're not listening to you, they're not cleaning up their toys, you're struggling with how to get them to go to bed, brush their teeth, all of those kinds of things. And so, what we've done is put together a bunch of videos for you that are only 5 to 10 minutes in length. So, you can take whatever time in your day fits your schedule. Take that tool and that idea right away and apply it to your home and your child and make it work for you. We're going to be offering this completely free for the first little while. So please make sure that you get on our newsletter or subscribe or like us on one of the social medias. Our website is www.kidsmoveandlearn.com, or you can go to Facebook or YouTube and look for us at Kids Move and Learn.